Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. It is Monday, November 7th, the day before the elections here. Midterm elections, I should say. With that said, opening up oil, we did open inside of Friday's range, below the close from Friday. So we had that move at the open, came straight up, had some retracement, then hit that edge once, twice, three times. Fourth time, finally breaking through. That resistance became support. Massive winners there, both long and short. And then as the afternoon came down, so did the oil. And it's closing net down for the day here. As far as gold goes, it didn't really make a ton of progress. Pretty much opening where it had closed on Friday. But again, there was still plenty of opportunities here. Right at the open, support there. And then once, twice for the shorts, and then another potential long for our students based off of these levels. Remember, these HVAs, high volume areas, these are given out to our students the night before the next day's trading activity. So that's 4 potential entries for our students there on that one market. And that was what, another 4 in oil. That's 8 so far. So 2 markets, 8 potential entries. All of those were winners. As far as our equities go, well, it's like I said, it's the day before the midterm elections here in the States, and it's pretty choppy and a lot of consolidation. So if we just take a look here, yes, we opened inside the range towards that high end of the range from Friday above the close, and we had some buying, and then it just came back down, and there was some pressure to potentially go short, but that was just speculation. There was just a lot of pressure there, and you can't trade off of speculation. If there's no actual confirmation of the movement, you got nothing at all, and that's why people get hurt in trading. They think they can read the bars or they know where the market's going, and that's just not the case. You just got to trade what's in front of you, and don't let yourself think too much, or else you'll get in trouble. But again, plenty of opportunities. It was like watching paint dry. It was slow go. This morning, decent opportunities. This afternoon, maybe 1 or 2. But we are finishing net positive for the day in the ES. We got above Friday's range, and we're closing up here. So that is net positive. Similar story in the NASDAQ. A little bit more participation here in the micro NASDAQ than we do see in the micro ES. But like I said, similar story. Opening up around that range high. Had some buying. Hit that edge straight down, and then tons of participation at this HVA edge for our students, as they had 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes in the market opening, and they've already got 2-3 winners. So again, these levels are drawn the night before. You can see the response around them. It was a pretty choppy day. That was the whole day right there. So not a ton of expansion, very consolidated. But as I've said in the ES, the NASDAQ is also finishing net positive for the day. Not a ton of movement, very consolidated, and that's all it has to do with the manipulation of the markets and what they are watching as the outcome or perceived outcome of tomorrow's election for the midterms here in the States. If you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next day's trading activity, or you're interested in learning how to trade futures, learn how to trade futures in our live classrooms every day that the market's open, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.